So you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 26.6 is just not installing. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing to always remember is that iOS 26.6, there's a couple of different things and reasons why you might be running these types of problems. The biggest thing is just making sure that you have a good, proper Wi-Fi connection, a good, proper internet connection. Whenever you run into these types of problems, it's usually due to some sort of internet connection problem. So what I'd recommend doing is just simply going through and opening up your settings application. So open up settings, and then what you're going to want to do is you want to go inside of your general settings. So right over here, tap into general, and then you want to go into your other options. So go into iPhone storage, which is right over here, and then just double check the amount of storage you have inside of your iPhone. You just want to make sure you don't have anything crazy going on, not like any big applications taking up a bunch of storage, because sometimes that can be the issue. And that's the very first thing I'd recommend doing, is just clearing out as much storage as you have here, because that can probably end up fixing the problem for you. Now, if that's not doing it, another thing I'd recommend doing is making sure you have enough battery life. So go inside of your iPhone battery health, battery life settings, just plug in your iPhone, make sure you do have enough charge. That's another very big thing I'd recommend doing. If that's still not working, you can also try restarting your iPhone. So go through on your iPhone, basically hold down the buttons you normally would to restart it, and slide the power off. You want to see if that ends up fixing it. For a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you. If that's still not working, you might have to go through and try plugging in your iPhone to your computer and try basically resetting it or updating it that way. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.